start. First of all, I am going to draw a cute, beautiful candy tree. Draw small circles here and there with pink color. Some circles with light green color. Okay, some with purple color. Light pastel purple brush pen. Here I am using Dome's brush pen, pastel. Okay, now this brown color. Now we'll draw the stem, chocolatey stem of our candy tree. Just color it. And it's done. Now we'll color up all the candies one by one. Pink color. You can use any colors of your choice, whatever you like, to make the drawing of your choice. Okay, now I am going to do the pink color in between to complete our tree, like this. Okay, so here is our candy tree. Now I am going to make another tasty tree. Yes, with orange color. The upper part I am going to do some orange strokes. Again, draw the stem. Wow, isn't it so interesting? Okay, so this is another tree. Now I am going to make a lollipop tree. For that I am taking this pink color again and just draw like round and round circles, and you are done. And I'm gonna fill it with purple color. Okay, again draw the stem. Alright, next I'm gonna make another candy with green color and lemony yellow color. This is lemon yellow, and in the upper part I'm gonna use this green color. Next tree in our cute candy land, I'm gonna use pastel sky blue color to draw this. And draw a little flower in the center. with pink color. Finally, do some shading with this pastel purple, or you can say lavender color. Make some light strokes and you are done. Wow, I just love that tree. Let's try something new. Here I am gonna make the stem with pink color. Not bad. Actually, it's looking much better, right? As it's an imaginary drawing, so we can imagine anything and we can draw anything. We can use any colors of our choice. And finally, one more tree here. It's a candy flowers tree. Okay. Now we'll draw little flowers here. Okay, beautiful, isn't it? Now make the ground of our candyland with this green color. Show some candy grass. Cool. Color it with lemony green color, the whole land. Again, I'm gonna use some pink. Make some chocolates falling on the ground. And a chocolate bucket here. Wow. And finally, make the sky. Which color I should use? Okay. Make some sky. Okay, so we'll give some final touch to our dreamy candy land with the help of black color. Just make some outlines to finish the drawing. Here also. And here. out the dark chocolate. And our cute candyland is ready. So friends, if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic Listen. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.